Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram network request failed, please try again later errors. This can be a frustrating issue, but I'll walk you through the steps to resolve it in just a few minutes. So without any further delay, let's jump right in. So first of all, open up your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram application. To the right of Instagram, it will either say open or update. If it says open, it means you are using the latest version of the app. But if it says update, then you need to update your Instagram app as soon as possible, because updating your app to the latest version fixes these kind of network related errors. And once you have updated your app, go over to your settings and then tap on apps and notifications, app info, and then search for Instagram. App info and then search for Instagram. Once you are on the screen, tap on storage and you want to clear all your data, and then go back and tap on permission. You want to give permissions for all of these. Once you have done that, restart your device and then log back into your Instagram application and you should be good to go. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question about this whole process, let me know in the comment section below, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and for more tutorial videos subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.